You enjoy the rap. Snitch. Sneeze. See, bro, I'm what you call a person that can shut his mouth. Shut his mouth and barely be heard. See, you don't know that. You don't know how simple that is. Being seen and not heard. See, you like to be seen and heard. But what makes it worse about you is nobody want to hear you or see you. That's like the funny thing about it, bro. You are what the universe calls a pile of crap. A dry piece of crap on a sidewalk that everybody and their mama try to avoid. That's what you are. You are a classic nobody. Classic nobody. So basically, you're a classic bum. See, bro, when you say things about my daughter or my wife or my son, whoever you talk about, it doesn't bother me because when you know the truth and you know where the comments is coming from, it's like, Ian, you are a fly. You are a fly. That's what you are. A maggot fly. Bro. I mean, you can't even tough talk right. Bro, you can't even tough talk right. You think saying all the cuss words in the book is tough talking. But we all know those are hollow threats. And plus, we all know you're an idiot. Because you sitting here begging a chick to come back to you. Begging this broad. And then in the same breath say she tried to set you up. And bro, come to think about it, she probably did set you up. Meth heads and crackheads don't just all of a sudden get better because they got somebody that will give them money. See, you was the dumb from giving her the money, knowing she was on meth. Heroin. Oh, heroin. Sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. This one might be a little bit better. So, right there, that's telling me that you ain't too bright, bro. You ain't too bright at all. Cause you're sorry, worthless, wannabe tough guy is dumb. You begging somebody like this to come back in your life. Wow. See, you wonder, put your mind at rest why I didn't put my hands on you when I could have. Bro, watching you for those few days, bro, you are oblivious to the stuff around you. Because you always scared, walking all scared, looking around, sitting on that bench that time, begging for money and waiting for some money to get loaded or something. It was pathetic. Bro, you have absolutely nothing. Your whole Your whole scheme of things is nothing but complete bull crap. Bro, you get money. I'll tell you what, man, Stevie Wonder can see that you got money. Bro, watching you run, power walk to every store, it's like you just got like super strength when you got a couple dollars in your pocket. And I mean a couple dollars, bro. It's funny, bro. Then you go into the pawn shop. And you're so dumb. You haven't even been picking up like I know everything. I know what you want. I know your next move. I know everything, bro. I told you. The moment you started being racist and racist for no reason, I said, I'm done with that crap, bro. You ain't gonna keep being racist towards African American, Jewish, and Mexican people for no reason whatsoever. We did nothing to you. Nothing. But got better swag than you. Better than you in everything. Literally better than you in everything. Then you get beat up by a 13-year-old then trying to tough talk up the 13-year-old. Wow. You terrible, bro. Bro, you are oblivious to what people say around you. You are oblivious. One time I was like literally right behind you. I should have knocked you out then. But I know you're all sorry, but would have cried and went to the police or something. and I'm going to say this, bro, before I go even further. Don't you dare think somebody's stalking you. Bro, it's just real honest here. I'm there to put you to sleep, bro. I am going to hit you so hard, bro. You go fart as soon as I hit you, bro. And then crap yourself, because I swear, man, that's how bad you got me. You're a prick, bro. You're just a low life. That's all you are. And bro, after I whoop you, I think you better leave that chick Ashley alone. That's my opinion. I don't know, because you clearly only been with her for 4 months and you already acting like this. On one hand, I kind of understand why she don't mess with you, because man, can you imagine if she said, yeah, we can be girlfriend and boyfriend with you, bro? Jesus. You tell her to get on your back and you want to carry her around so you can make sure where she at. That's how obsessed you are with this broad. Like you never got no poo nanny before. Bro, I mean, I really think you was a virgin when you got with her. I really think you are a virgin. You was a virgin until you got with her. And she knew that. And she knew that you never been with a woman. Look how obsessed you acting. Jesus. Bro, I never seen a dude talk so much trash, but act the total opposite when it comes to women. You have no experience in women, because no way you should be saying this chick is your wife. This chick love of your life and love everything from just 4 months. 4 months, and then you say she tried to have you taken out. She had you set up to get beat up, and then you say you didn't hit this dude because Ashley told you not to, which is, bro, that's the dumbest crap I have ever heard in my life. Don't say that out loud no more. That is so dumb. It's so dumb on so many levels. One, if you did it, and second, and you let this fat dude pound you. Then you try. I never seen this before. Never. Hold on. I never seen any tough guy tell somebody, come up to my job, I'll fight you up at my job. What? And then on the same breath say, I didn't fight him because I got a career and I got a job. So, what lie are you going to go with? What lie are you going to go with? The lie of saying, only reason why you let this dude pound you is because I actually told you not to, and you have a job, and it's a career, and you don't want to lose your job. Or do you want to go with the other lie, say, you literally told this dude, step up, punk, step up, B, you ain't nothing, I'm gonna whoop you if we fight again, I'm gonna whoop you. So, and after that, you say, come up to my job, and I'll whoop you up there. You know, god dang well, you won't fight. Ain't nobody fighting at your you don't want to fight him because you don't want to lose your job when you're at a place where you could have fought him one-on-one, never getting in trouble. But now you want to take it to your job. That's just so smart. Get the F out of here, man. Your lies is even worse when you know you're a sissy boy. When you know you're a pussy and can't fight. You are a pussy, bro. Wow. Bro, I have never, ever heard something like that so dumb. From a person that literally acting like you're tough. And when nobody on this planet, bro, respect you. Nobody. You are a freaking loser, bro. You have no fans. Who has fans? And you are such a prick and a pussy that talks trash to his fans when you did have them. I never seen that in my life. Donate or else. Get the F off my show. Get the F off my show. Donate or else. Who do you think you are, bro? Half your fans probably could have beat you up. Wow. Bro. Then you make threats. You make threats on people. And bro, you can't fight. And then you act like you say ain't nobody pulling up. You know why they ain't pulling up. Because you never give your address out. I remember I listened to one of your little rants. And he was like, oh, you want my address and stuff? Here you go. And then for a quick second, you was like, oh, well, no. Come out to my job. Yeah. And try to give an excuse you didn't want to get in trouble or nothing. Wow. And bro, you see why I haven't whooped you yet. I haven't kicked your butt yet because you are hilarious. And I know as soon as I whoop you, you're going to go to the police or this and that and sound like the biggest pussy, but then go come on YouTube and run your mouth. Now, I had never heard somebody ever be so happy to say, I didn't leave. I was joking around when I left, when I said I was leaving YouTube. No, you wasn't. You want to leave it, but you have nothing in your life. Nothing. Boy, you a sad case of a bum loser, a bum homeless man, a bum that just don't understand that he's completely broke. No, you understand. You know you broke. Stop it, bro. And you just keep trying to slide that in. Like, I got like $3K in the bank. Bro, bro, you know you don't got no money, bro. Come on. Wow. I would say some stuff, but you've been biting me. You've been biting my style, bro. You've been taking some of my words, and I knew you was dumb. But I never seen or heard of a more dumber person than you. bro, instead of you coming clean on things, you just think you just gonna be smarter than everybody and just make up another thing. Like, yeah, I got a book deal now, god dang well. Bro, I'm telling you right now. Don't lie on the book. Don't lie, bro. Don't lie, man. Because everybody gonna catch on to you and they gonna be trashing you. And I want to be the one trashing you. So don't do it, bro. Don't do the fake book. Don't do it, bro. Please don't do it. You gonna get destroyed. Destroyed. Bro, you gonna get literally destroyed. And that happened, I ain't gonna be able to whoop you, bro. So you better not be a prick and keep on with this book thing you trying to go with now. You're so dumb. You literally said you wrote a book in the first grade. Are you that dumb, bro? I mean, is it me or something? Is this normal for somebody to say they got a book deal in the first grade? I mean, good Lord, you barely in the first grade, man. You still somewhat, yeah, you still somewhat messing with crayons and stuff, bro. I mean, you just one step above kindergarten. Taking naps at 11 o'clock. And in first grade, I remember, y'all, we still was somewhat playing, having recess and this and that. And you literally
writing books.
Saying you writing books? Come on, man. You cannot possibly think people will believe that crap. Come on, man. I mean, bro, you getting ridiculous with your lies, man. I mean, and then you keep saying with these disgusting little things you be saying, like, I got the biggest dick. I got the biggest dick. I got the biggest dick. I'm the prettiest in the whole world. Why would you want to leave this? Why would you want to leave this? Bro, if that was true, I see why you might be mad at God, because you think, like, why you give me this big old wang, and I'm such a loser, though. I'm a bum. I'm homeless, moneyless, everything. But we all know that you don't. We store this in you got categories with your lying. The sex lies, then the sports lies, then the Ashley lies, business lies, rap. Business goes with the rapping, the boxing, the fake boxing. Car Connect. Jury Connect. Even though we all know a kiosk is not no goddamn Jury Connect, bro. That jury in there is just about as worthless as a freaking wet toilet paper, bro. That jury, bro, it's like they probably paid no more than like $100, like, for certain pieces, man. I mean, it's like, come on, bro. Those kiosks is made for suckers, man. Made for teenagers that wanna get some booty from a chick so they can go buy a necklace. And that's what it's for. It ain't for adults. I mean, it's for, if you see an adult wearing it, he's an adult child. Because, bro, you have no idea how much your booty rate went down the moment you slipped that thing on. I mean, wow. Right or wrong? Right or wrong?
Oh, definitely.
The moment you slip the moment you slip that gold colored gold
It's not gonna be gold for long.
gold colored what is it?
It's like just gold plated.
Gold plated. It looked like, bro. It looked like somebody took a whole bunch of those with those saucers. You put your drink on the table, coaster, bro. That necklace looked like somebody just grabbed a whole bunch of toasters and just coasters and just cut them out, put them in a design, colored it gold, and said, we're gonna get a few suckers that's gonna buy this big necklace because they gonna see the diamonds and they gonna say, which is nothing but glass. They go snatch it up because they think that's what the hood girl want. And they probably right.
Not necessarily the hood girl, just any girl.
They might be right. A ghetto chick would find that like appealing. But that's because they're 17 and 16. So I didn't know what you was thinking when you put that thing on. First of all, you look so dumb. Dumb. No. This is flat out dumb. Because you walking from A to Z, back and forth, with no money for a car, wearing something like that. You can't pull it off, bro.
Taking the bus.
And taking the bus, taking the train. By the way, I hate when you take the train because it's like, ugh, the rest of y'all stinking people be on there. Bro, you are just like disgusting. I cannot believe you got that necklace, neither. Whew. Jesus Christ, man. Timmy. Bro, I mean, that's what I'm saying. I'm going to be too long with you today, bro. But you just, wow. And then when you begin trying to get all real hostile, like, you like, oh, y'all done it now. Y'all getting a real Tyree Sneed. I ain't gonna say it again. And you be like, ooh, y'all done it now. Y'all getting the real tough love out now. Ooh-wee. And bro, you look so dumb because you're literally screaming at nobody. Nobody. And I mean, bro, you are so dumb. And by the way, bro, I love it that you're dumb with a bag of bricks. I really am. Don't worry, bro. I really am. You are really dumb, bro. Wow. You so dumb. You be one of those people. I mean, no, not one of those people I'm talking about. You will be. Remember when you got mad because the dude tried to have you save $200 for a studio apartment? And you act like $200 was beneath you? When you could have $58 and you'll count it 15 times. And and do that little trick. And by the way, it don't work, bro. You can't, when you holding your money, when he be like this, folding it out, look like you holding a card. a deck of cards. See, but what you doing is you got the other end folded to where it looks like you got money all the way down. But in reality, it is not that whatsoever.
No.
At all. Bro, you be having like $40 in 220s, and then you might have another $10 in ones. But you can't help but show the ones because you don't have no money. Without the, you don't have the money to look like you got money with not the ones. Bro, wow, you're dumb. But don't get me wrong, bro. I love your dumbness. You always have my appreciation for your dumbness. Trust me, bro. Trust me. But the way you be trying to pull these little scams off. Sorry about that. You be trying to pull these little. Sorry about that. You be trying to pull these money scams off. Like you keep showing that stock. You act like that's your money. It's not yours at all. And you keep showing it like you can just go take money right out of it right now. You know what I mean? And you can't, and you know that. But you think you're doing something by showing us that all the time. Stop. I mean, we know you ain't because you haven't stopped digging up your disgusting nose. Disgusting nose. Bro, I'm going to tell you straight up. Your best bet is to either still try to chase Ashley. Chase her because, bro, I don't see no woman in their right mind wanting to have anything to do with you. Bro, you won't stop doing something so nasty, digging up your nasty nose. Bro, you won't even stop doing something so nasty. And what other word I'm looking for? It's nasty. It's freaking rude. Something not nasty. Yeah, something so foul and disgusting. You won't stop. You won't stop doing it. And that is disgusting. And you think you'll get a girl? Ain't no girl want to. First of all, you look like that, Timmy. Then mixed in with a little that gold dude on that one movie.
Napoleon Dynamite's brother.
I mean, you look like Napoleon Dynamite's brother.
What you got with Sandra?
Who did that movie? That yellow dude.
Sin City.
You are Sin City's stunt double for that yellow dude, man. You know that dude that said he smelled like death and was a pedophile. Well, at least your daddy will be there. Happy about that. Bro, man, and you won't stop it. I don't get it, bro. What is so bad about you stopping? Bro, you ain't gonna get no woman. Bro, you better hope to God. and she don't murder you. Because by the sound of it, she has absolutely no respect for you. And you just don't see it neither. You just don't see it neither. And that's a shame. But your best hope is for her, bro. Because you will never get a woman. You'll never get a woman because, bro, oh my God. So this is a beautiful one right here. This is a good one right here. You are trying to get her back and and you are doing it to yourself. Yourself, bro. You keep running back to this broad, and nobody know why, because she getting you. She set you up, you said. And you keep trying to get her back. But this is the funny thing about it. You know what's killing you? YouTube. You go on YouTube and tell everybody your business. And look, you digging up your disgusting nose all the time on something that you cannot stop doing. And it's killing you with getting women because of your disgusting habit of digging up your nose. Put that in perspective, bro. You're obsessed with YouTube, but YouTube is the one that's killing you. Because you gotta be on YouTube. And now you're trying to do these little interviews, I guess what you call it, not putting your face on. Bro, it's already out there, bro. You're a two banger. You know, you a 2-finger digger. You know what I mean? We know you got 2 hands, bro. You use your 2 fingers, bro. You're a double Dutch digger. Oh yeah, bro. You're a double Dutch digger. You got the 2 fingers, bro. And you do it consistently, don't you? Yes, sir.
Yeah. Definitely.
I mean, what you rating? On a scale of 1 to 10, it's like they're just a professional digger.
Well, he's definitely a professional.
I mean, he be. And sometimes, bro, I can even like dictate when I know you're gonna do it. First, you get your first dig in. You're like, whoo, that's a good one. That's a good one. And then you go right back with the double Dutch. And bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. You are a professional, bro. I bet those addicts up there are just clean, spotless. I bet they love you, boy. Nose always clear. You can smell from here to kingdom come. And I bet you dig up your nose when you sleep too. Wait, that's disgusting, bro. So I just like to have to say that to you though, bro. That the thing you love most is the thing that's killing your life. It is killing your life, and you don't even realize it. I think you realize it, but you don't care. Gun galore. You want to say that? Well,
There's a whole lot to say.
I mean, bro, you are and make it even worse, nobody cares, man. Nobody. Bro, When I say nobody, nobody cares about what happened to you, what should happen to you. Because you are such a loser, bro. You just one of those people that just everybody don't mind hating. Because you don't deserve no love. I hear you talk. If you act like if you don't get something, you're allowed to say and do whatever you want to them. Oh, that's from you getting your tail whooped when you was younger, probably. I think that got something to do with it. What about you?
Want him not getting in his way?
How he be acting towards people? No, he been acting towards his fans. Well, the ones he did have.
No, I don't understand it, because if you want something from somebody, you get more flies with honey than you do vinegar, and him acting like that makes no sense. Why you would be nasty to people that you want something from? You think you want to show them gratification? Well, gratitude. Let them know you appreciate them.
I'm gonna say this.
Rude.
And by the way, this ain't no goddamn Dr. Phil neither, bro. Because I don't want nobody to forget that, bro. I'm gonna knock your effing head off, bro. I'm gonna put you to sleep. It's gonna be quick, hopefully painful. Because you gotta come in, bro. See, you probably thinking like, oh, his wife don't, his wife don't think like him. I'll tell you this, bro. Sorry to hurt your feelings. But what you think, my love?
There's way too much of what I think to say in a short period of time. It's a sad situation.
So to make a long story short, she probably have some pom-pom song cheering me on as I pound you, bro. I'm talking about, bro, you gonna wish you didn't.
Well, most time as a wife, you don't encourage your husband or allow him to get this angry or irritated by somebody or want to handle somebody so much. You try to calm them down from it, but not here. This is different. Like the full go ahead. Because it's just so misogynistic and ignorant. Like, women are his property. We have to do it. Like, the one thing he was talking to her and he was telling her that because he said so, she should have done it. Not because he's the man, though. Just because it's her job to please him.
Crap. Bro, see, that's some stuff I know. That first or second time ever having a woman, and that's all that is. Bro, you never had a woman, and you didn't know how to, you think you supposed to get what you want, how you want it. I don't know why, because you were nobody. You soft as buttercakes. I mean, no woman respect you. None. Not one. No woman respect the dude that got a tattoo on his back and then walking around with it, walking around thinking you tough and stuff with your little bird chest. And when you get your tail whooped by that fat dude, you are nothing. Nothing more than a loser. Bro, you just like flat out like a loser. That's what you are. You know it. People around you know it. You know what I mean? When I see you do that stupid. Did I say stupid yet? Stupid 52 crap. Come on. Only thing That 52 thing is, that thing is 52 ways to get your tail whooped. That's the only thing that's doing, bro. All that little crap you was doing, you was like, why are y'all tripping? Y'all don't know 52. And me and my wife has not, we watched that thing more than once, that we said it was no reason for you to bring that up.
Nobody was even asking.
Nobody asked because you don't have no fans to ask you that crap. Nobody asked you. You just said something that will get people's attention because you know you got played. You got played, bro. You didn't think that those people go say, stay off of YouTube. See, you are everybody named mama know you are a wannabe. You're a loser. And you're a prick to boot. So you want a prick, I think people deal with you. But you're a prick and a loser. Bro, that's too many strikes. You know, then when we see your intelligence, whew, it was real slap in our face. So, that 52 crap, you was like, don't nobody know the 52. Don't nobody know. With your little short itty bitty arms. Nobody know. Nobody knew the 52. See, Charles Wolford don't wanna. He don't wanna be the 52. And then the grand finale. He said, and trust me, me and my wife we want to thank you because this is a good one. We chuckled for this. You said that 52 was here way before Kung Fu was here. It came from Israel. Then from Israel, this guy in prison got it. And then to chop it up, bring it to a bow. You said they got it from a deck of cards, the 52. He was like, fine, I'll show you the 52. It's like you was trying to please your fans for they won't leave your sorry, worthless butt. And you was like, this is the 52. And it was so stupid, bro. It looked like you was trying to do that thing what Chinese or Korean people do when they put their hands together and then bow their head.
But see, that's the thing. He even knew he wasn't looking good doing it because he was like, I haven't done this in a long time.
Yeah, I haven't. Oh man, I think it's like this, man. I'm gonna tell you right now. I don't care if you got it perfect. It is the dumbest thing I've ever heard in my life. The 52. And it makes it even stupider is you will take a L. Man, you stink too. So it's like, you do the 52, man, they'd probably get mad at you because you probably make people say, man, we are never doing the 52 again. You see, look at it, didn't even work. Because you probably got your tail what? Another thing, why you use your 52 against Ashley's fat husband? You should have used it. You could have used a 52. Remember? You said you was tough and you the toughest man walking? I guess that 52 didn't pan out. Maybe 53 would have panned out. Or 54. You never know, bro. Don't give up on the 52. Please, use it on me. I promise you, I will act like I don't even know it. It's coming. I act like I don't know it's coming. You can use the 52. Because after you wake up, you gonna say, dude, where the 52 at? Did it work? And I'm gonna look at you and say, do it look like it worked, bro? I knocked your little butt out. 52. You better go back and go 54. Idiot. But anyway. That 52 is beautiful. But, bro. I am coming for you. You have finally made me understand that now. Yep, I gotta come after you.